Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been ages, guys. So a friend of mine wanted a video of this recipe, and I thought that instead of making a video for one, why not just make a video for all? So today I'll be showing you guys how to make okra pepper soup. Let's get started. So these are the things I'll be using. First of all, my okra pre-cooked pomo, smoked fish and periwinkle, smoked chicken, and for the spices we have crayfish, garlic, ginger, salt, pepper soup spice, ground pepper, ewe, seasoning cubes. So let's get started. First, in the pot of boiling water, add the pre-cooked pomo. There's also beef in that, so it's both pomo and beef. Cover to boil for a while, and then add the spices. So I started by adding the seasoning cubes and then other spices. So this okra pepper soup, which I call it, is good for people with high cholesterol and are trying to avoid oily foods, because this meal won't be cooked with any oil at all. So I thought to mention that the okra used in this video wasn't grated, it was diced, because I like it a bit crunchy when eating it, at least not just so smooth. Well, that's just my preference. You can do it the way you like. After cooking the meat for a while to make it more tender, I added the smoked fish and periwinkle. The chicken is coming in last because it's already smoked and very tender. So without leaving it for a very long time, just let it boil for a few minutes and then add the okra. So I added the okra and gave it a very good stir. At this point, make sure not to cover the pots because you want it to remain slimy. So I left it to cook for a while and give it a good stir. So this is it, guys. Okra pepper soup. You can combine it with any swallow of your choice and enjoy. Thanks for watching to the end. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Have a nice day.